Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a while, but you know, sometimes the kids hold me up and I can't get out the videos that I want to, but I just wanted to go ahead and get this out because I recorded it a long time ago. So if you wanted to see how I got this coppery glam eye, go ahead and keep watching. So I just went ahead and did my eyebrows off camera, and I'm going to go in with my Tarte Shape Tape Eye Primer and apply that all over my lid and then blend it in with my fingers. So I'm going to go in with my Anastasia Beverly Hills Soft Glam palette, taking this rustic color and just going to sweep that across my crease. Next I'm going in with the color Citrus Umber. I'm just going to build up the color darkness before I go in with black. You don't want to just go in with black, you want to build up to it. Going in with the color Noir, I'm just gonna take a pointed brush and start in the corner and take it outwards so I can make it into, I don't know what you would call that honestly, like I'm just making it into a triangle on my eye. I don't know, there you go, it's a triangle. But anyway, I wanted it to be this shape without using tape because I didn't want the sharpness that tape leaves. So this is how I do it. First I go out in the corner and then I build it up and then I fill it in because I want it on my eyelid, and then I go back in and I blend it out. So before I go into glitter, I'm going to go in with this color called Sultry and just tap that onto my lid. I want to put this on before I put the glitter on, just in case there are holes in the glitter, so that it won't just be my lid that you see. You'll see a color underneath the glitter. So let's go in with this NYX Glitter Primer, and I'm going to use the NYX Glitter in the color Dubai Bronze. And first I'm going to take the glitter primer and pat that all over my eye with a flat brush. And then taking the same brush, I'm going to just take a little bit of the glitter and then pat that over my eyelid. I'm sounding like really raspy today and I don't know why. Maybe I need to drink some water or something. So let's go in with this Sigma Wicked Gel Liner and just go ahead and line my eye. I'm not going to go and wing it today because I have black on my eyelid, so I really don't feel the need to actually wing my entire liner out. So then I'm going in with these Eylure X Jasmine Brown Lashes. I'm just going to go ahead and pop those onto my eyelid. And there they are. Then I'm going to take this Master Prime by Maybelline and just go ahead and prime my face. Since I have some hyperpigmentation around my mouth, I'm going to go in with this Orange Color Correcting Stick by e.l.f. and put that in the areas where I need it. And then underneath my eyes to get rid of the darkness from the lack of sleep. And then I'm going in with my Too Faced Born This Way foundation. The name, I don't know, but it's the darkest shade they have, and I will put the name of it in the description box below. I'm going to go ahead and blend it out with a brush first and then go over it with my beauty blender. Next I'm going in with my Shape Tape Concealer by Tarte and just going to conceal underneath my eyes and highlight down the bridge of my nose, my cupid's bow, my chin, my forehead, and then blend that in with a brush at first and then go back in with my beauty blender and blend it all out for a flawless finish. Everywhere that I put the concealer, I'm just going to go ahead and try to bake again. I haven't tried it in a while, but I feel like since this look is going all out a little bit with the glitter, may as well go all out and bake too. So I'm just going to apply that everywhere that I put the concealer and leave it on for just a second and then dust most of it off. I'm going to dust the rest of it off with powder in a little bit. Going in with my sad little contour pan from Makeup Geek in the color Scandal, I'm just going to go ahead and carve out my cheekbones and tap it onto my forehead just to give it a little more warmth. Underneath my jawbone just to carve it out a little bit, and carve out my chin and blend it in. Here I'm taking my MAC Mineralized Skin Finish in Deepest Dark, and I'm going to go ahead and brush off the rest of that powder and then make everything all blended and come together as one. Going in with this black Radiance blush in Warm Berry, I'm just going to pop that on top of my contour, and then I'm taking this Mario Badescu spray and spraying all over my face. I'm going in with my Resi highlighter and just applying that on top of that blush on my cupid's bow, my chin, and the high points of my forehead. I'm going to go in and just line my waterline. I'm taking Benefit's Bad Girl Bang mascara and just running that on the bottom lashes just to define them more. Then I'm taking this color called Glistening and putting that in the corner just to give it a little pop. To finish up my look, I'm going in with this Buxom lip liner in the color Stakeout, and I'm just going to run that all over my lips. I'm not going to use a lipstick because I just like this color by itself after I put it on. And that is pretty much it. So I hope you guys loved this look. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and tell me what you thought about it. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys next time.